What's going on, guys? Hope you're having a great day as always. Today we're talking about American Airlines stock and why I think it's undervalued and why I think that in the future this stock could be a winner. If you haven't already, subscribe. We're almost at 200 subscribers. Let's hit it before the end of October. That would be awesome, guys. Also, don't forget to throw that smash ups button on this video. Now, as we can see, American Airlines has been hit hard during this pandemic. We look at the 3-month chart and we just see a bloodbath of just up and downs, up and downs, up and downs because of this coronavirus. But what's really attractive to me is the stock was trading around $28, $30 before the coronavirus hit. And we could see when the coronavirus was gone or going away, people thought, we saw a huge incline in the stock price, which made a lot of people a lot of money on some of these option calls. And what I think is going to happen with this stock is after we see the election happen, I think coronavirus is going to dumb down a lot because I feel like coronavirus is always in the news and the stimulus talks are just nailing these stocks. We also heard that stimulus is coming after the election. Donald Trump wants to pass the stimulus as soon as possible. We see Democrats also say they want to pass the stimulus. It's just a whole mess. But we have good news that after the election, both parties are saying that there should be an economic stimulus package, which is great news because the last time this happened, airlines got bailed out, and we can see this huge stock jump when airlines got bailed out. Now, if we look at some of these news, I don't like to use Robinhood for my news, but I just feel like these headlines are really, really good. So we see that they post deep losses in revenue calls for aid. So they keep calling for aid. And after this coronavirus, we get a vaccine, people start traveling more, people start trusting going on airplanes more. We're going to see these companies bounce right back. Now, these are billions and billions and billions of dollars going through these companies. And when the coronavirus hit, we saw literally their revenue go from, billions and billions of dollars to almost non-existent because the amount of people that cut down on traveling, I think it was 90% of Americans just stopped taking vacations, going on these, business adventures, and nobody wants to fly, of course, when you got a virus popping out like that. And we can see American Airlines CEO, we need business travelers to return in order to bounce back. So that's one of their biggest customers is people going on these flights so they can, do business work and vacations. And what I also want to point out is the airlines industry isn't going anywhere. We will always have airplanes. We need them. It's kind of like money. We need money. We need housing. We need food. We need water. We need to be able to travel to go do things in life. So why I am kind of keeping an eye out on this stock is because I think right when this election happens, and if you see a stimulus package pass that is going to help the airlines, then jump on these stocks. Because as we saw before, once stimulus comes out or once this coronavirus is done and people start traveling more, we will see this stock shoot right back up. Maybe not to what we saw previously, but it's at $12. Imagine if it just, gets up to where it was right after, 18, 19, 20 bucks. That's a really, really, really good profit margin from where we are sitting at now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you have any questions, drop them down in the comments below, and also let me know if you guys are already invested in this stock or if you're kind of keeping it on your watch list like I am for future reference. Other than that, guys, I'm out. Peace.